In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Outlook search history quickly and easily. If you've been searching for emails, contacts, or files in Outlook and want to clear that history for privacy reasons or just to start fresh, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. This works for Outlook.com and takes just a few clicks to complete. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Outlook.com. Once the page loads, sign into your Microsoft account using your email address and password. Make sure you're logging into the account where you want to delete the search history. After signing in successfully, you'll be taken to your Outlook inbox. Now, look at the top right corner of the page and click on the Settings gear icon. This icon looks like a small cogwheel and is located near your profile picture. Clicking this will open the Settings menu. From the Settings menu, select General. This will expand the list of options on the left-hand side of your screen. Next, choose Privacy and Data from the left-hand menu. This is where Outlook stores all your privacy-related settings, including search history management. Once you're in the Privacy and Data section, scroll down until you find the Search History section. This section controls all the searches you've performed within Outlook. In the Search History section, click the Delete History button. This will remove all stored search queries from your account. A confirmation box will now appear on your screen asking if you're sure you want to delete your search history. Review the message carefully, then click Continue to confirm and clear your history. Once you click Continue, Outlook will permanently delete your search history. The process is complete and your search data has been removed from your account. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Outlook search history in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this one.